Max Money Tribe, Max Money Family, what's going on? It's your boy Alvin and I am back, at least for another day. Now today we got some clarity into the market. We got us a clear view. It ain't pretty, but it's clear. It's what some people have been waiting for so long. I'm talking about the Fed guidance. What are they going to do? I got it covered in this video. We're going to get back to our short squeeze plays. We're going to look at some undervalued plays just today. Now, what I need you to do, family, is smash the subscribe button, crush the thumbs up if you're new to the channel, and let me know, did you buy the dip today and what stock did you buy? Shout out to y'all for buying the dip. I could not because I was working. And just like a lot of you were working as well, and we can't always catch every single play. So let's talk about it. Today, I am down $260. Why are you down, Alvin? Let's check it out. I got 260 calls of NEO for a $40 strike price. Family, do not go out and buy these. I am not encouraging you to jump on these because they will be worthless in just a few days. Friday, they expire. Now, do I expect NEO to jump up big time? Yes. I think it will hit 40 by Monday. I don't know about Friday at close, but Monday, I expect this thing to go crazy. We got NEO Day coming up. But let's talk about the overall market, family, the SPY. What did the Fed give us? Now, the Fed, if you didn't follow, if you didn't read anything yet, if you're new to the stock market, the Fed spoke today about 2 o'clock, and they basically said that they're going to stop and they're going to taper back on buying. They were buying about $30 billion worth of the market, right? They're going to end that sooner than they thought. It was supposed to be around June when they finished up, but now it's looking like March. Now, with that said, this is supposed to help with inflation because they're done buying, they're done propping up the market in a way. This should help with inflation. But what instant impact should you expect? Now, you should expect higher credit card APRs almost instantly starting next month. January 2022 is going to be your APR year. This is where you see that credit card and it says possibly 25% APR. It will jump up higher. And if you haven't already, family, went and got you that rental property, got you that house, you might want to do it rather sooner than later because 2022, you can expect higher mortgage interest rates. Now, right now, they're currently sitting around 3.1%. And they're projected to go up to about as high as 3.7%, maybe even touch 4%. If you haven't bought a house, you don't know about those interest rates. That's a lot of money in that 1% move up, family. So, like if you've been following my channel, I got me a rental property with 2.75% on a refi, and my new house I bought with my stock money in the middle of last summer. This summer that just passed, I got a 3.25, I believe, family. So I'm locked in. I'm good. I'm set. But you might want to think about those. So that's what the Fed created. Now, this being, I believe the SPY is so strong at 460 now, just these multiple touches. Even when we go back several months, you go back down here, right in these areas, it just built so much consolidation. And I'm talking about on the real chart, family. If you go look at your real plays, your FinViz, your Yahoo Finance, all that stuff, TD Ameritrade, look at it. 460 is pretty strong when it comes to the SPY. But just today, you went from 460 up to 470. Oh my gosh, those calls would have printed. And I said that they would. I told some people that they would. Now, NEO, like I said, even at the end of the day, it showed a little bit of strength. Tomorrow, I look to see this possibly jumping up to around $33, somewhere in there, maybe even touch 34. It could go crazy. But Friday, I expect this to start jumping over 36, 37. I'll let these calls go as it goes up. Who knows how much they'll be worth? Probably 5 cents or $5 at most on each one, maybe 6 if I get lucky. I could sell out of them and go on a little bit long-term call for next Friday with NEO Day being Saturday, family. So keep that on your radar. Apple, oh my gosh, Apple was so strong up here at 181. And then it gave you 2 opportunities down here at 172 to load up. And by the end of today, just in that last 2 hours right there, 3 hours, you're back at 179. That's the beauty of the market. That's the beauty of day trades. That's catching at the right time. And nobody really knows the right time. They just kind of guess at the right time. They read some analytics and stuff like that. Now, another stock family that I want to talk about real quick is something like SOFI right here. SOFI, a banger, was beat down recently, all the way down here at 14. If you zoom out, past 3 months, lives up here around 23 in the $20 range. We go a year out, consolidation sideways right here. You see it, man, and catch it down here. So guess where it's going? Probably right about here. It comes down here for a little bit. August it did it. A lot of support down here. This is pretty much catching at the bottom. Same thing with Apple. Same thing with a lot of our short squeeze plays, family. If you really stayed in our short squeeze plays, you were rewarded. BBIG didn't dip much further than we were used to. We had saw this down even lower at certain points back in the beginning of December at 250. This was nothing there. This was nothing for that. AQST has the FDA approval dates coming up. They have multiple ones. Ask the family. They're dropping in the comments for me. Coming up December 23rd, which will be next week. You got some key dates with AQST. You might want to load up right now, family. That's what I'm going to say. Check out the past videos. Pretty much any play that you jump in still has that potential to run to its upside. Check out Starbucks. Still down on the day, right? We zoom out for the week. I'm talking about you have a chance to ride this up to 116, if anything. Just what calls. 116, 115. We zoom out a couple months, you see it consolidating right here. It isn't going to have these straight drops like this. Another banger before I finish this video, family. While you're smashing subscribe and all that good stuff, crushing the thumbs up, I really do appreciate it. Roblox. Oh my gosh. Roblox right now is a buy. Under $100, buy zone, family. 136. Tied to the metaverse, one of the OGs to the metaverse. Roblox will be on my list of buys. As you see, the volume is at 43 million, average is 19 million. 52-week high is 141. I love Roblox at this price. $99, yes. If I get my money to drop in here at the right time, I'm looking at what's happening on my end, family, before I wrap this video up. I'm looking at getting another investment properties, like I said, with the rates going up. I like to play in the stock market, but I know my value will be greater when it comes to stock or comes to real estate. So I'm looking at another investment property, family. And I also run a side business. I run a side business doing rentals in a different type of way. And I'm looking to add to my fleet as far as that goes. So the stock market would pretty much be third on my list of extra money. But if I can get some things worked out, I might be able to drop about 10,000, 9,000 in here, borrow some margin, start trading with about 18,000. And there I look to go more long-term, family, if you're rocking with me, cutting back on my options, not too much high risk plays anymore. Just let it ride out for 2022. Just let it ride out. There's a lot of buying opportunities right now. So family, hopefully you're rocking with me. Hopefully I can get into some profit. You guys that have been around through multiple ups and downs with me, shout out to y'all, Max Money family. Let's continue to get to the money. The market, if you survive this time, this rough time, understand it won't be the last time and you're better for it. So keep getting to the bag, keep learning it your way, family. And I appreciate every single one of you on this channel. I'll see you tomorrow, family. Let's eat.